There she is, escaping through the bars. Who is that?
Raider.
Raider, there she goes. Come on. We see you. We see you. Trying to get out. You know you're going to make it, huh? Yeah, look at you. Oh, maybe not, huh? Alright. Maybe you're not. Good. Ha ha. You can't get out. No, no, no. 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 Say no, no. No, you don't. Look at over there. Happy feet over there. Going back and forth. Yes, happy feet, happy feet. Come on. What are you guys going to do, huh? Come on. No, you made it, huh? You did it. Come on. You almost made it.
Your wing.
Go ahead. Pull your wings over. Well, no, I guess not, huh?
No, he will.
Are you stuck? Come on. Come on, Raider. Nope, I guess not.
I guess yes.
Nope. Yes?
He does it better over there.
Wait a minute. Okay. Well, huh? Yeah. Oops. There you go. And there goes Happy Feet over there. Who's that, Pandora?
Pandora.
Pandora. Hey, Raider. Hi. Are you stuck? Uh-huh. Now you think you can get out, huh? Yeah? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think he's stuck.
No, he's not.
I think he is.
He was stuck.
Are you stuck, Raider?
If he was stuck, he would be quacking.
Yeah, he's stuck.
No, he's not.
You stay out of there. Stay out. Don't try it again.
He will.
I think what happened is I think I try to close the bar more. And he sees that. Yeah. Oh, you guys. Yeah, there you go. Okay, good. All right.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he's looking for another place to come out. Ooh, yeah. Uh-huh. It's all right, sweetheart. Go back in. You can't get out. He noticed that the bars are... I put the bars more. No, come on. All right, get out. Hurry up. Come on. Well, I think you're stuck, huh?
No.
Oh, yeah. Let's... Come on. Get him out on how I could help him. Get him back in.
Ow!
Get him back in. Poor baby. You go over there, sweetheart. Come on. Come over here. Come here. Come here. Did you bite her, huh? Did you bite her? Come on. Go over there. See, he noticed that. Yeah, he noticed I closed the... Yeah. No. Okay, let's not try no more. Go over there. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Go over there. Come. That's it. You go down.
No, he's gone another way.
Yeah, you go down there.
He's fine.
Yeah. It's
He
all
can try
right.
again.
No, Raider.
Do it.
No, Raider.
Oh, he's going to go the other way.
Wait a minute. Let's see. Where is he going?
I don't know.
Ah, see? I think I kind of like fixed the cage again. Yeah. Okay. See, now he's not able to get out because I fixed the cage.
Oh, watch, he will.
Uh-huh. Hi, babies. Are you guys eating over there?
I think he's stuck.
Oh, all right. Good. Now you're not going to escape.
There's another way.
Yeah, he just wants to seem to get out. Huh. Okay. Come here, sweetheart. Okay, go over there. No, that's a... Oh, oh, oh.